Inventory. We want the information to be able to know, when do I have to order? How much do I have to order? And how long will it take to get here? Now, NetSuite provides a few different ways to do this. I showed you in this example. I'll close out some of my tabs here to keep this simple. I showed you the ability to do reorder points. And in its most simplest form, if you have the information, you know, the safety stock and the reorder point that you like to keep, we set those at an item level, let the system auto calculate them. It's a very simple method. In this case, I'm in my order items page, a standard feature within NetSuite. I limited this down to the Frisco vendor. And you notice I have locations 1A and 1B. I'm going to narrow this down to 1B just to keep it simple. Now, what this is telling me is, based on the information that I put, these are some items that the system recommends that I order. When we look at the first line, the eyeliner, we've got 1197 in stock, none on back order, none on order, and 1400 is my reorder point, so we missed it, right? But my preferred stock level is 1600. So the system is calculating that I should order 403 to get back to our preferred stock level. Now you notice I can manipulate this. So I can change this and say, okay, yes, 403, but you know, we've got a sale coming on. I like even numbers. So let's get it to 500 is what I'm going to order, right? I've checked this off. My cost has increased here. Now I'm going to order 500. We're able to manipulate the price as well if that's something you want to do, and we can lock that down. Okay. Now I can go to the next item. Remember, these are all coming from the same vendor. And in this case, the 270 to the 350, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to say I want 100. Now, once I've done that, I simply have to do is submit it. The system will auto create the PO. And based on whatever preferences I set here, for example, to be emailed, you can have the system automatically email this purchase order to Frisco if that is the process. You know, you could tell how long NetSuite has been around. You know, it's been around since the early 2000s when it was Net Ledger. They still have to be printed, which, you know, still possible today that we print something out, but then to be faxed. And I know we have a lot of customers that are still using fax, but for the most part, everything has switched over to email. The system will automatically